What's going on, guys? This is All About It BMX here, and today for my first video I thought I would do a bike check for you guys. So let's get started with a bike check. So up top I have Chrome S&M Grand Slams and some just regular ODI soft grips. And then my headset is Odyssey, and then Odyssey R32 forks I got a Roto 34R detangler and Odyssey M2 lever and top piece, and then the rest of my gyro is just a standard Odyssey with a Odyssey Springfield actual brake, and then some Super 2 Cool Stop pads, and then for the wheels, quadrant rims on both sides, and then in the front I have a Vandero 2 hub, and in the back I have a Odyssey Quartet hub. And then moving on to like the bottom bracket. Oh yeah, I also have a profile push stem. And then like this rocket area, I have Eastern cranks, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, Chase Hawk or Odyssey Chase Hawk 28 to sprocket, and then a Shadow Conspiracy interlock chain, and then a Sunday Z-post pivotal, and then just a kink seat. But then tires I ride in the front, I ride a Shadow Velour, and then in the back I ride this Revenge Fatty, the Revenge Industries one. So yeah, that's my